What is up, people? This is Kamlesh, your sneaker guy, and guys, yes, I am very much excited for this video because I have got a lot of Instagram DMs that they want to see something like this, and that is the only reason I am making this video. So people wanted to see some high top sneakers under 5,000 rupees. So yes, I am here with 5 high top sneakers under 5,000 rupees. One is an exceptional case in this video. I'll tell you that later in the video, but before that, let's start. Let's start with the first sneaker on this list, and I am very much excited for this because it's the sneaker guys video and we are talking about high top sneakers and we do not talk about Converse. That is not happening. So I think if your budget is around 5,000 rupees and you need a good, great, legendary high top sneaker, this is the pair you need to go for. Like, you can go for Converse Chuck70s or you can go for Converse All Stars. You can go for any of those. Chuck70s will cost you 6,500 rupees and Converse All Stars will cost you 4,799, that is 4,800 rupees, somewhere like that. And that is the best option in my opinion if you have that tight budget. But yes, comparing these two sneakers, obviously Converse Chuck70 has superior quality, superior comfort, but still if you have a tight budget, you can go for Converse All Stars because they are the most versatile, most classic, most beautiful looking sneaker, and you can wear them with absolutely anything. Moving towards the next sneaker on this list, and this is from Puma, and it is again a very beautiful, very clean sneaker. Let's unbox it and then we'll talk. So this is Puma Samson Mid. A very beautiful, a very clean, a very subtle looking sneaker from Puma, and it is one of my favorite high top sneakers from Puma because Puma doesn't have a lot of high top sneakers, but they have few and they are beautiful. Something like this. I just love the detailing on this pair, subtle detailing of Samson written there in gold, and it is just a beautiful sneaker. I just love the leather quality on it, the comfort on it, everything on the sneaker is clean, simple, nice, a very versatile pair. You can rock this sneaker with anything, for college, for office, anywhere you want, and this will never disappoint you. And the most important point, this sneaker just costed me 3,678 rupees. That is a great price for this beautiful sneaker. Now moving towards the next sneaker on this list, and we have something very different. This is, do you guys know what this is? This is from Soul Store, and it is a Soul Store sneaker. Okay, so I wanted to have something quirky on the list, something for fun, something people would like to wear. Sometimes maybe few people like it, few people won't like it. I understand, but please understand my point of view because I have to make videos for everyone. So that is the reason I have this on the list. If you don't like it, it's fine. If you like it, great. So let's unbox this and then we'll talk. So this is Soul Store Dark Knight. So this is a Batman inspired sneaker, and that is the reason it has full black leather upper and dark grey suede all over it. The quality is decent, the comfort on this pair is decent, but if someone is a Batman fan or something like that, or you just need a regular black and white sneaker, you want something quirky on it as well, this is a very good pair to have in my opinion. You also get this Batman logo on the heel of the sneaker, and yes, this is a reflective logo and it will reflect light. That is interesting. Super simple and decent placement of the logo. I like that because it is not flashy, but still it is there. You also get Dark Knight written here, and that is reflective as well. When sneakers have small detailing to it, I just love it. This will definitely be a versatile pair. If you like something like that, you can go for it if you want, and this will just cost you 3,399 rupees, that is 3,400 rupees. A good price. Now we have a pair from Puma, again a good, very versatile high top sneaker. Let's unbox it and then we'll talk. So this is Puma Evoke, a full black and white leather upper sneaker from Puma. A very versatile one, has great quality, decent comfort, and will match every outfit you wear. This color combination in itself is very versatile, very decent, very simple. If you do not want something very flashy, this is the exact sneaker you need to have in your collection. And the best part on this pair was the price on it. You can get this pair for 3,359 rupees, around 3,400 rupees. Very beautiful price for this pair. Okay, I told you guys we have an exception here. So this is the pair. You can see the box. It is from Nike. It is fully damaged box. I'll have to remove the sneakers from here like this. So let me remove the pair and then we'll talk. So this is Nike Blazer 77 vintage. Full, the most beautiful, the most classic high top leather upper sneaker from Nike. A full leather upper with hints of suede on it, a white pair with black swoosh over it. Mind it, this is a beautiful sneaker, very classic sneaker. There is one problem with it. It's very hard to put on and remove. It is not like you can quickly wear it and you can move. It is not like that. It is bit difficult to wear this pair. In my opinion, that is my personal experience, and that is the reason I am sharing it with you guys. And I don't think so I should explain the sneaker. You guys already know it. I just wanted to share that this is a great option around this budget, and I'm saying this around this budget because it is not under 5,000 rupees. I got this pair for 5,900 rupees. You might get it for more, you might get it for less as well, but I got it for 5,900 rupees. I know it is not under 5,000, but still a great pair. If you have that budget to expand, you can go for this. Okay, I have got all of the sneakers from Amazon and I have linked them in the description. You can go and check it out. And with that, thank you so much guys for watching this video. See you next time in the next video. Peace.